Today I'd like to talk about no-brainer targets. These are price targets that form when the market creates a very specific and obvious pattern. If you take a look at the chart here, you can see that we got a very distinct and obvious triangle pattern forming. We had multiple touches on both sides. Now, eventually, price broke out and ultimately went for, I think, let's have a look, it was something like just over 100 pips from where it broke out. So from where price broke out to the low that it reached was just over 100 pips. Now what we can do is we can take the range, the pip range from the high of the pattern that formed to the low of the pattern that formed. Now that would either be, we've got a choice of two lows here. But it's best to be conservative and pick the lower one. So we take this, and it's something like 108 pips. So when we get price breaking out of the pattern, we can then look for this same 100 pip move as our target. Now, in this case, you can see that we pretty much got that. So to recap on this, we're basically looking for whatever the move is from the high to the low of the pattern. We want to then look to take that same profit when the pattern breaks out. Like I said, you can if the high to the low is, say, 108 pips, you can target those 108 pips. But personally, I go for just within it. So I would go for something like 98 pips, something like that or less, as my target. So yeah, that's it for my no-brainer take profit.